to one of our car members. Now, not our car members, the city's car members, okay? Patrick with War. He is actually leaving us next month.
Yep.
And heading out. So, we thank you, Patrick.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Why? Because we're neighbors? You don't leave me?
Yeah, I gotta leave you. You make too much noise in the neighborhood. It is.
I'm telling you, never been broke, never been wild, never been regular, never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird, bust down road, bust down bird. 100 on tour, 100 on drum. Arcade know me, arcade know me. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Whoa, whoa, war shit on. Nah, nigga, I'm telling you, never been regular, never been regular. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Jumping this honey, I feel like I'm winning.
Alright, what's up, man? Today we're out here at Cars and Coffee. It'll be my last one before me and my wife move on to Kansas, to Fort Riley. My wife has quarters, so we great slide out there next month. So a couple of the guys, we decided to come out here for one last Cars and Coffee. I mean, the rest of the guys will be here still, but I will be moving on. Cars and Coffee was something we used to attend a lot when we were first starting off as a club. So, you know, it's always a nice little event. It's always a nice little event. It's always a lot of people, a lot of different vehicles to come out here and check out. So I'm gonna go ahead and spin the block, check out some of these trucks, cars, bikes, and semi. There's Snow White out here with her semi, so we're gonna go out, we're gonna check out all of them and see what we do. Catch y'all in a bit. This the one that's gonna beat them right here. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Car 120, 79 MGB. Car 47, OG 2016.